Hello, welcome students and also those who are preparing for competitive examination. ये जो स्पॉटिंग एरर्स आता है ये हर कंपटीशन में आता है, स्कूल एग्ज़ाम में भी आता है। तो इसका तैयारी कैसे किया जाए, इससे रिलेटेड है आज का जो टॉपिक है। स्पॉटिंग एरर्स आर्टिकल से रिलेटेड है। पहले मैं कुछ टिप्स आपको बता दे रहा हूँ कैसे आपका इजी होता है कि ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए। तो आर्टिकल कहाँ यूज होता है, व्हाट द आर्टिकल इज यूज, इट इज़ यूज बिफोर ए नाउन वर्ड, नाउन के पहले यूज होता है। एग्जाम्पल 10 एग्जाम्पल यहाँ दिया गया है, उसके हिसाब से ये एक्सरसाइज को हम लोग अभी डन करेंगे। सो दैट फाइंड द एरर्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। पहला रूल्स क्या है, आर्टिकल नाउन के पहले होता है और टाइप्स क्या क्या है आपको देखना है इसमें। ये एक्सरसाइज में एक भावल से रिलेटेड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड और भावल साउंड से रिलेटेड है। और सेकंड पॉइंट है कि जो डेफिनेट आर्टिकल होता है इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल है, इससे रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस यहाँ दिया गया है, उसका एनालिसिस करेंगे। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। And here in the 10 sentences there are 5 parts in each sentence. Next here in 6 there are 4 parts, A, B, C, D, and other sentences there are 5 parts, A, B, C, D, E, and there is an error in maybe or may not be, and you have to find out it. Okay, let's start. First sentence, and we saw a elephant in the zoo. So zoo is the noun, elephant is the noun, and the zoo it is correct, and a elephant, this is the wrong part. So, and what it should be, it is a vowel sound, elephant. So here should be, it is an, it is an elephant. Okay, next come to the second sentence. It is a most beautiful painting of the gallery. Gallery is the noun, and here painting is also a noun, and come to this part before a noun, and here it is the beautiful, the most, and most is in the superlative form. एंड इन द सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म हम लोग हमेशा क्या करते हैं, सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म जब भी होता है तो उसका द यूज होता है, नॉट ए यूज नहीं होगा। सो दैट दिस इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पेंटिंग, हियर इज द मिस्टेक पार्ट, दिस इज द एरर। एंड कम टू द थर्ड सेंटेंस, मिस्टर गौरव शर्मा इज कमिंग टू डिनर. So that in this sentence, Mr. Gaurav Sharma is a noun, proper noun, and dinner is also a proper noun. And you cannot use a article here before a proper noun. And confusion here, use confusion comes here to before a dinner, before dinner, the dinner, a dinner, and you may use, but this is no need of error. यहाँ कोई यहाँ हम लोग आर्टिकल का ज़रूरत नहीं है, यहाँ आर्टिकल यूज नहीं होता है डिनर ये सब के पहले. ओके, सो दैट no error here. 4, and I go to cinema every Sunday. So here Sunday is also a noun, and here is cinema is the noun, and especially there is a rule related with cinema and theater, that in this particular noun and you have to use, and in a regular basis particularly where we go there, this is definitely you are going to the cinema. So that I go to the cinema, TSE, the cinema. And then fifth sentence, he went there a hour ago. So in this sentence, he went there a hour ago, and it is this part, a hour, and here hour, the h is a silent sound, here it is h is silent and h is silent, so hour it needs the vowel sound, it produces the vowel sound, and here it is an hour, here you have to use the article an hour. And then 6, he always speaks truth, and in this sentence he always speaks truth, and here is it is the noun truth, and it is always, and he always speaks, so that it is definite one, and so truth, the truth, and you have to write the truth. And then Kashmiri shawls are made of the hair of sheep. Sheep is also a noun part here, noun, so the it is used here in this phrase, noun phrase, and the is used, and here shawls, Kashmiri shawls. So this is particularly related to the inhabitant, name of inhabitant, and particular area related with Kashmiri, it is related to the inhabitants of Kashmir. कश्मीर के लोगों को बता रहे हैं, एंड कश्मीरी शाल पर्टिकुलरली उसी रीजन के शाल को बता रहे हैं. सो दैट इट इज ए डेफिनेट वन, एंड यू हैव टू यूज द कश्मीरी शाल. सो दिस इज द. And in the 8th sentence, the Taj Mahal is situated at the Agra. Here the Taj Mahal it is used. It is the is used before a monument. एक monument पर जो historical monuments होते हैं उसके सामने हम लोग the use करते हैं. Then Agra. At the Agra. Agra is a proper noun. It is the name of a place. So we should not use the here. So it is a error. It is the error. It is an error here. And next sentence, question number 9. Bible said that the sun goes around the earth. Here it is correct, goes around the earth. The is correct here. It is correct here. The sun is also correct here. And then what is the wrong here? Is the Bible. It is related with Bible. Bible is a holy book. Bible is a holy book. And before the holy books, and this type of holy book, the article the is used. So here it is the Bible, and it is the holy book of the Christians. And Bible, Quran, Gita, so the Gita, the Quran, it is used. And then to the last sentence, an horse is running in the ground. An horse is running in the ground. And here an horse, this part, and H sound, H is not a silent sound. H is the consonant sound. Here it is not producing the vowel sound, it is producing the consonant sound. This is horse, and here it is hour, it is a vowel sound, and here it is the consonant sound, so that it is a horse. The answer is a horse. So thank you students, and those who are watching the video and it is fruitful to you, and ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में भी. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.